Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. How's everybody doing out there? Let's get it. So, starting tomorrow, we're gonna have some big Lucid giveaways throughout the week. So, every stream we do this week, other than tonight, and maybe we'll get one done tonight. I don't know. I don't want to promise it, but maybe we'll get a Lucid account giveaway tonight. I want to make sure that I get the ones given out. I did pull the winner from Saturday's video, so I want to make sure I get those accounts done with. Try to keep things straight in my head. Hey, Tom, what's up? Let's go look at something real quick. So Nikkei opening up as we speak. Nikkei's down 45 points. Kospi should be open here in a few minutes. Kospi is also down 34 points. Hey, Lee, what's up? So let's see. We've had some decent moves already tonight. Had a nice little push down, came right back up. So if we look at the NASDAQ, we've had a range of 180 points already. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. On the S&P 500, we've had a range of 21.75 points. Not bad. Let's see what we have for news. Any news tonight or tomorrow? Let's looky. Let's just double check. Looks like no news for tonight. Tomorrow, Vicent's going to be speaking at 2 p.m. Consumer confidence on Tuesday. Wednesday, we have core PCE price index. Preliminary GDP numbers coming out. Thursday, we have Jackson Hole. And Friday, we get Washington going to be speaking. Preliminary payroll revisions. Revised consumer sentiment, revised inflation expectations, and some more Jackson Hole. Fantastic. Hey, what's up? What's up? New to the stream, welcome. Hey, Dollars by Steve, what's up? Let's see, can we get it going tonight? I still think we have some upside targets. If we look over here on the NASDAQ, we do have this FVG up here, 489 up here to about 502. 502, 503, somewhere from there. I think that's where we're trying to make our way to at the moment. Oh, if you fell below 50K, yeah, they're done. They're cooked, Mongo. Still a really good run that you had. First prop account, you get multiple payout. You pass, and then you get multiple payouts. That's like unheard of. So that's pretty awesome. Hey, Apple, good evening. Trying to get financial juice pulled up too. Just make sure I don't miss anything tonight. Make sure I don't get hit by any unexpected news coming out that I'm not aware of. Let's see. We did come into the VWAP deviation bands up here on the NASDAQ. If you look over here on the ES, similar situation. Yeah, I need to win another one. We got some Lucid accounts we're gonna be giving out this week. If Adam just responded back. Oh, great. The gaps everywhere. Gaps went whoop, boom, right down, instantly filled the gap, almost instantly, pretty darn quick. That was an easy play tonight. Yeah, Vicent tomorrow at 2. Hopefully I'm done trading tomorrow at 2. Yeah, 44 out of it is awesome, Mongo. That's great. That is amazing. So hopefully I'm not around when Vicent is speaking. So we had enough. Trying to get the accounts back after the blow up last week. I can't remember. Was it Wednesday or Thursday? I don't remember. It's all a blur at this point. The big blow up last week. I think it was Wednesday. I think it was Thursday. I'm trying to bring it on down here at the moment. So Nikkei is trying to come up. Kospi is getting a little bit weaker here, down 76. Kospi going down. Probably gonna see chip stocks going down as well tomorrow if Kospi does finish down. So let's see. Push. That's the ES. Wouldn't mind seeing a little trade detector bubble show up down here. I'm gonna adjust that real quick for Asia. I'm gonna bump it down a little bit more tonight. We'll make it a little bit larger too. There we go. Hey, String Bean. Do we keep on ripping up or do we come back down? Crude oil's down $1. Wow, crude oil's getting clapped right now. Yeah, crude oil's down here near session lows. Huh. And what about dollar index? Dollar index is down a little bit, down 0.043. Down a little bit. Gold's up 8.7. Yeah, gold just made new session highs. Interesting. Very, very interesting. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget, it's not too late to boop that lucky like button. Which, I'm telling you guys to do. I have not done it yet myself. Shame on me. Shame, shame, shame. All right, there we go. Bam. All right. I've now done my good deed. Lucky number 31. Duck, duck, goose. So, we'll see. See how it all shakes out. Yeah, I had a pretty good start to the night. Let's see if I can hold on to it or do I give some of it back first. So I'm trying to be a little bit cautious this evening. If we look at the volume profile levels real quick, what do we have going on? We are above last week's value. Sorry, last Friday's value area high at 424. We dipped down, almost hit value area low and ripped right back up. The ES, however, did go below last Friday's value area low. We got the full rotation right back up. Now we're below value area high. First target should be the point of control down here on the ES. Over here on the weekly, we do have some untested point of controls. 77.25 on the ES, and on the nasty NASDAQ, 29,595. Hey, Leo, what's up? Golly, that was horrible. I just FOMO'd right into that. Yeah. FOMO'd right into this trade. They came right down to EMAs. This is where I would have rather got in. Somewhere around where it is now. That was a straight FOMO entry. So I need to be careful. I'll get back in the green here a little bit more. I need to just close it. Yeah, what if we want to run though? I'm going to play a stop loss game. I'm just going to trail a stop, let the market dictate when I get out. Just in case we want to get some crazy run, I'm just going to work on trailing it. All right, got me. Got me. So first trade of the stream, winner, winner. Let's get it. So, hey, J Loves, what's up? All right, J Loves, I think I tried to put you in the race Friday. You were missing in action. Couldn't find you in the chat. All right, hold on. Let me move the screen around real quick. All right. Hey, real estate. Good evening. Yeah, gold's doing pretty good. Now, where's gold in relations to the VWAP bands? That's not one. Clicked on the wrong one. 2, 3. And we're up there in the band, so you gotta be a little careful. Could we go higher? Yes. This is susceptible for a quick little pullback. Hey Bob, what's up? For a quick little pullback. So now we might end up doing a Lucid account giveaway tonight as well. I think we're going to. Let me I don't know. Because now the Lucid account winner has already gotten their account. They already emailed me back. So I got that off my back. I don't have to worry about missing that. And TPT's already been emailed for those winners. So all in Apex counts using code. I appreciate that. Hey, so what size Apex accounts did you get? Yeah, we're still trying to go up here a little bit. Wish I wouldn't have FOMO'd in that intro. I could have tried to hold in, get a little bit more, but that's fine. Yeah, working in the mountain sucks. Oh, 100K? Nice. I'm trying to come back down here. You got to be on the lookout over here on the 1 minute. Is this trying to turn into a little A to B equals C to D pattern on the way down? We break the swing point right here. Gosh darn it. We break the swing point at 423. Target's down here at 405, then maybe the VWAP. Yeah, $59 can't go wrong. Yeah, that's a pretty good deal. Yes, it's trying to come down here a little bit as well. Nikkei's trying to pull back a little bit. Cosby came up off that low. Cosby still has that gap. Nikkei does not. 9:30 we'll have HSI opening up as well. So we'll see how all that's going to shake out. Maybe good, maybe not. So, how's everybody's weekend out there? Good? Short probably as always. I did get to go take my daughter out EFOLing on Saturday. That was pretty fun. Got to go cruise around on the EFOL for a little bit. Restful? Oh, that's always a blessing. Now we are below the lower regression channel, but we have not taken out that swing point yet, so that lower target is not valid yet. And this could be just another continuation right back up. We'll give it a shot. Even though I know there's a chance that we're going to go down there and just go turn into that ABC pattern down. Until we do so, I'm going to try to get the benefit of the doubt. See if we can come back up towards the candle body at 456. Right here. Top of that candle. Top of that candle body. So I'm kind of feeling it here at the moment. We'll see if that changes. Maybe it does. Maybe it does not. Only time will tell. Turn the AC down here. There we go. That might get me. Come on. Get it. Get it. At least we don't have, so at least so far tonight, the markets have not been extremely slow. Still could happen, but at least at this point, they've been moving a little bit. If we can make it all the way up here, that'd be a decent little trade. Let's see. Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get it? Can I get Starlink? Yeah, I got the Starlink Roam. It works pretty good. Not too shabby. That stunk. Which I knew we were a little bit susceptible for a pullback right here. Too far stretched away from the EMA. That's a little bummer. I'm pretty sure I took that profit when I had it. Kind of curious real quick. Let's go double check Nikkei. Nikkei is roughly where it was when we left off. Cosby's going down a little bit. Again, we break that swing point. 405 becomes a target to the downside. Oh, that's great. I just got a boost on that one. When to go close it, my hotkey was not working. Well, we're going to make it right down there. I don't get a chance to get in. Gosh darn it. All right, I got my hotkeys working now. 1 for 1. There goes that 405. You son of a biscuit eater. Gosh darn it. 7 hundo. Nice. Hey, good gain on that one, Lee. Okay, I see we're coming up on the VWAP. Even the ES is coming down here close to the VWAP as well. I gotta believe that's pulling that down too. Kospi's going down. Nikkei is trying to come down here a little bit too. Oh, Bitcoin reversed too. Oh, they're smacking it. About to look for a little counter trend bounce. Joker, I chased a little bit. LA Lights like, dump it. Not yet. Get a little bounce first. Let me get out. Then we can proceed with the dump. But we just finished the ABC pattern down. So we should do something other than continue down. Maybe go sideways. Maybe a little pop back up. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh, that's going to put me down for the stream so far. I still don't mind that though. I still don't mind that last little trade. I gave it a shot. Yes, that VWAP. NASDAQ is just below VWAP. No, I haven't seen Raj in here yet either. All right, I got 2 targets on that real quick. 2 quick little scalps. I was trying to move my target up on one of them, but it got dinged out before I could move it. Unfortunately. Oh, where's that 4-hour chart at again? I really kind of gravitated towards that 595. But remember, we still have that larger ABC pattern on the way down. We were talking about this last week. All right, here's the A to B leg. B to C leg is the corrective move. We project all the way down here to about 785. Hey, Plum Trader, what's up? Hopefully you had a good vacation. Yeah, yes, got smacked pretty good too. Yes, all the way down to VWAP. Pretty good little smacking. Smack, smack, smack. Do I dare go for another one? Not yet. Ooh, my foot. Not yet. We're gonna give it all up. All 4 indices are in the red. Wow, Nikkei's down 154 now. And Kospi's down 91. They're starting to deteriorate here a little bit. You already sent an email? Oh man, let's go see. Nice. First report card in of the night. Let's go see. Let's go see. Ah, dang it. Wow, 1,200 for the night. 80% win-loss ratio. Profit factor 6.94. Largest win 589. Largest loss 215. Average win 374. Average loss 215. Man, that's awesome. That's great numbers. It's a really good number. Hey, good job on that, Dollar Steve. Man, that's good. But Cosby's still going down. Nikkei's still going down. Might want to hold off here just a bit. Are we going to make it all the way back down by the lows? We're getting close to these candle wicks, a little bit lower over here on the NASDAQ. We'll be into those candle wicks from earlier tonight. Now, the ES does have a 9 count. So does the NASDAQ. ES 9 count. NASDAQ has a 9 count. I just went long. Went long. I already hit target 1 before I could friggin' move it. So went long 2 contracts. One already hit target. Was able to get the one out of the way. Hey, Rocky Sam, what's up? Good evening. Another 500. Holy smokes. Killing it. This hits target won't be bad. We have the opening price up here as well, so I don't mind it. Maybe try to come back up towards that VWAP as well. Maybe not, but maybe. We can come back up here and break this swing right here. All right, I'm moving my stop. I don't want to take too much risk on this, just in case we want to whip back. Really minimize that loss. There you go. A good thing I did. But still a good trade. So I lost way less than what I normally would have on that trade. The fact that we broke that swing right here and we could not hold above it, that's a clear warning. Yeah, Kospi and Nikkei keep barreling lower. Yeah, a lot of times it'll move, which I'm not even upset at. I have learned, though, if it takes me out right when I get in, don't try to get back in because usually it gets stopped out. So then I make $100 real quick and I end up losing $200. So I've kind of learned. Let's give it a shot. I'm hoping we're going to bounce and try to hit that VWAP real quick. Now, here's what I want to be on the lookout for. Let me move this up. If we come up here, we hit the VWAP and we reject back down, I want to be on the sell side of the market. All right, I want to lean more towards the sell side. In the meantime, I want to see if we can get a little bit more of a balance. Hey, Adam, what's up? Hey, congrats on winning. Adam was one of the winners tonight. So. Hey, Mike, did you see when Prettia had their 100K accounts for 50? I saw they had a pretty big sale recently. I think it was a 1 or 2 day sale. Something crazy like that. Come on. Let's get on up there. Hey, Daniel, what's up? We can go up there and hit my target real quick. Yeah, I'm just trying to front run this VWAP a little bit. So 395. I'm probably going a little bit too high here. Let me bring that back down a little bit. Oh, power's down. Oh, that's a bummer. Stupid market. Stupid market. Not making me happy. Man, I'm muted. Son of a gun. I gave out all the secrets. Oh, man. We get rid of this ABC pattern down. Yeah, we continue to see the Cosby and the Nikkei just barreling lower. Might be a problem for us in the morning. Hey, Chris. Good evening. I see the bots are back again. The bots are back. Test of Friday's low. Friday's session or blow. John, I'm trying to get back to the gym. I haven't been in the gym in a little bit. I'll plan on going back hopefully tomorrow. Tomorrow when the stream's over, go to the gym. I was going before I was streaming in the mornings, but now that's not going to happen. Staying up as late as I'm staying up, that's just not going to happen. So. Oh, wow. Gold did get smacked. Son of a gun. And we even talked about gold too. Gold was right up there in those deviation bands. I thought about hitting it with the micro. Man, that would have been the trade right there. Let's see. Dollar index. Did it go up? Went up a little bit, but not a whole lot. Huh. All right. I went long again against my better judgment. See if we can finally get a little bounce here. I still want to see a VWAP touch. Because if we come up now and reject from VWAP, then I want to be on the sell side. Until then, I want to keep trying to play a movement back up towards it. We are below the lower regression channel just by a bit. It is pretty steep to the downside, though. So I am fighting it here a little bit. So hopefully we just get a big old burst up. Get a big one up there. POS around 392. So my target's kind of front running that area a little bit. We got crude oil down $1.12. A little bit of a pullback in the markets tonight has nothing to do with the Middle East. At least one would not think. Fantastic. Maybe I need to wait for a little bit more confirmation. Because I feel like they're just gonna keep picking my pockets here at the moment. Mongo said I just signed up to another 50K account. Use code Mike. It was $85. Nice. It is month a Mongo. So if you don't pass within 30 days, you will be rebilled. Most people are going to fail or pass within that time frame. Yeah, I really want to go for a little bounce. I want to play a bounce to VWAP, and the market's just not participating with me. What is going on? Nikkei may be trying to bounce here a little bit. Cosby's still down here by a low. I'm going to give the NASDAQ a little benefit of the doubt here. I might regret this. Only because Nikkei is trying to bounce a little bit. A little bit. Ooh, second target up. 392. Okay. I'll see if you can go up there and get my first target. Actually, see if you can go up there and get both targets. We definitely have this lower level consolidation right here. Hopefully it's not going to lead to lower prices. Really upset that I missed a short that I called out. But no, TPT gives you 60 days on the giveaway accounts. 30 days normally. NKD. Let's go look at it. Nikkei is trying to come back a little bit. Kosby's maybe. If we can get these two markets to bounce, then maybe that'll be good for my NASDAQ. Check a couple NKDs. I did back in the day. Back in the day. Before I was trading with Ninja. I think it was before Ninja. If not, it was early on Ninja. I can't remember which one. No, hey, so on the Apex funded account, you just have to make, I don't know if this is per account. I know the 50K account, you got to make $50 twice within a 30-day period of time to keep it active. That's the only restriction. No, I always trade Asia session every night. Even if I'm not on stream, I'm still trading it. Hey, string beam, but it's not maker. It's a rolling 30-day period too. So it's a rolling 30 days. Maybe I shouldn't have moved this target right here up. I know I was up 250 on the trade. Maybe I should just cleared the 250. It came back down, got back in. Could, woulda, shoulda, is what it is. You're trying someone other than Apex. I mean, Apex has cheap accounts. So if you're a trader that blows up a lot, Apex is a really good deal. So trade my live account every day. I also trade prop accounts, which last week I blew them all up. Blew every single prop account I had. All my funded accounts gone. In one stupid day. Got some more, blew those up. Stupid. Come on, Joker. Come on. Yeah, the cheaper accounts are, if you go on a tilt spree. Oh yeah, I definitely broke my rules. I said, what's a rule? And it was so on tilt. I was bought new accounts. As soon as they got loaded up, bam, just hit buy full port. Didn't work. Stupid. Looking back, it was dumb. Spent almost $5,000 that day in prop accounts. Fantastic. Let's go a little bit more. Come on, a little bit more buying. Let's see, is Nikkei still trying to lift? Here's a Kospi. Yeah, Nikkei is trying. Need a little bit more oomph. I might get stopped out. You're right. I might. Won't be the first. Won't be the last. Yeah, it was pretty bad though. Repeat. It wasn't a small tilt. It was a bad tilt session. That's the worst one I had in a hot minute. I just couldn't believe it. Like, looking back, what was I thinking? I think that's the problem. I wasn't thinking, but I might get stopped out. We'll see. I was up 3 something on this trade. Looking now like it's gonna probably stop me out. Yeah, hey, I was fine there. Hey, String Bean. I didn't even trade my account no more that day, my live account, thankfully. I was like, man, I really need to go past this MFF account. I'm so close. Let me just go get another trade fired off. That lost me less than 150 bucks. And then I just went on tilt and started blowing stuff up. Stupid. Over $150. Come on now. Yeah, Nikkei's trying to come back down. Cosby's trying to come back down. That's not good. That's not good. Gold's down 16 now, so it's a little bit off that low. Gold was a nice short trade. Talked about it being in the deviation bands before it dropped. Did not take it. We'd want to take an easy trade. Come on. Hey, we do have the Russell up now. Russell's up 0.2. So Russell is trying to maybe lead the way here a little bit. I'll go look at that. We'll wait and see if I get target 1 off first. I'm going to take target 1 off. All right, move target 1 off. Let's go look at this real quick. RTY. Yeah, RTY came right down the view app trying to bounce up. This is a regression channel. It's free inside of Ninja. It's either called regression channel or linear regression. Hold on a second. Yeah, it's called regression channel. I have the length set to 55, the width at 3. You can get it for TradingView as well. Like I said, it's free. So on TradingView, it's called Lin Regression. So there we go. There we go. Hey, Alley Cat, what's up? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, DayTrading is having a big sale right now. 91% off. 91. Hey, Paul, what's up? I wonder if I should have taken my profits there. I really want to see if we can get at least a little bit closer to this view app. I hate it. Hit the pillow. Hey, repeat. That's not a bad idea. Better go sleep while you're green instead of giving it back to the market, end up red. Yeah, there's no stupid question. This is the NQ futures, NASDAQ futures. So symbols NQ. Don't forget to smash that lucky like button. Boom, boom, boom. No, it's the NQ right here. In the mini contract, not the micro. I do trade both, but I don't have any micro trades on here at the moment. So, hey, four legs, what's up? I had to take my four-leg to the vet today. Or I didn't, my wife did. Yeah, I'm hoping we make up to a VWAP. I'm just looking to get out of this long around VWAP. Then I want to see, do we reject off VWAP or not? Yes, is not quite up there yet either. Nikkei might be trying to make a little move back. Kospi's trying to make a little move back, a little comeback. Yeah, I'm rooting for it too. Dollars. Yeah, sometimes I trail my stop, but not a lot. I don't want to be stopped out. So I started off the night really, really good. Not too bad. Then even the first trade on stream was good. And then went a little bit of a losing streak after that. Up here at the high, if I would have closed out this trade at the high, I'd be at session highs at the moment, but I did not. So we'll see. I'm not doing too shabby. Just been trying to get this to retest the VWAP. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, oil's down pretty good tonight. I saw that. That's why I was like, yeah, when we started coming down, oil was already down. Like, you know, the movement isn't because of the Middle East. It's probably due to Kospi and the Nikkei coming down. Hey, JC, what's up? Gold got smacked down a little bit as well. VWAP is just shy of 390. So 389. Actually, right about where my target is. I'll probably hit close before we actually hit it, if it makes it up close to it. So we do have a 9 count here. It makes me a little bit nervous, but we'll see. Uh-oh. Don't like that. A little bit nervous about that 9 count too. The longer we can stay up here, we should be able to start flattening out this regression channel from sloping down to maybe going sideways a little bit. Maybe. Please. I like the EMAs are trying to cross bearish too. That could be a problem with seeing Nikkei real quick. Kospi's still trying to come back. Nikkei's turning back down here a little bit. Yeah, that's weird, finite. That is weird. YouTube's playing some sneaky games. Might be because the bots are back in here again. I'm going to close it. I'm going to close it. I was trying to give it I was trying to hold all the way up there, but are my sounds on? Yes, they are. I get out and that sucker rips right back. But the meter is not past the threshold yet. So when I first came on tonight, the sounds weren't turned on, but the sounds are on, but we're not past the threshold. Yeah, tick strike not ticking. Really thought that trade was going to put me back at session highs, but guess not. We got about 45 minutes till HSI opens up. Gold is saying you should have shorted me, sucker. We had a good short trade that we talked about in gold. We're up here at the second deviation bands. And then it just dropped down. So like even from right here down to that band, that's 37 points. That'd be a banger in the gold trade, but Bitcoin's starting to give it up too. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. We don't have a whole lot of news out this week. They push it down, they rip it right back up. Quick little leg down, quick move right back up. We get these EMAs crossing going back up. I might take another swing up here towards that VWAP. Heading to 300 before a bounce. I don't know. I hope not. If you go to 300 first, it's going to be painful for me because I'm probably going to keep trying to buy it. We do got to be on the lookout though. We start taking out these lows here. We're going to be on our trip down to 785. The pattern's already been validated. Just got to clear, right? We had this lower level consolidation. Got to break it to the downside and really open the door to much lower prices. It's not there yet. So, brain's always in reverse mode. All right, so I went long again. Let's see. Can we push it? I almost hit it with 2 contracts, but I did not. So, still want that VWAP touch. Come on, Joker. Crude could bounce from here. Yeah, maybe. Crude is down pretty decent tonight. Down 1.49%. Now, is this lift also lifting the Nikkei and Kospi? Maybe. Yeah, Nikkei trying to lift back up. Kospi trying to go up. Those going up should be favorable for the NASDAQ and the S&P. Russell's barely down 1 tick. Come on. Come on. I think I could close out this trade right here, be at session highs, but we're close to it. Yeah, we'll look at crude oil soon. I'm out of this trade. I got my eyes on VWAP. I want to see, do we reject off VWAP or are we going to keep pushing up? We have an FEG up here too. Stupid market. Not out of it yet. Not out of the trade yet. It could quickly turn on me. I'm hoping not. Hoping not. I'm out. I'm out. Definitely put me at session high. So you see, I took a lot of paper cuts. Lots of paper cuts. Now I want to see, do we reject back down? If so, I want to focus on sell side trades. we start coming back down off that VWAP. Then from that point, if we stay below it, I want to stay looking for sell side trades. If we get back above it, well, then I probably want to look for a little bit more of a push up. And when we look at the Nikkei, all right, Nikkei's only down 136. Kospi's down 76. Let's go look at crude oil real quick. Crude oil's trying to get a little bounce off the low, a little bullish engulfing type of candle. Oh, I don't know. Jesse trading yet or not. I don't know. I talked to him earlier today. I didn't talk to him right before I went streaming. Do we reject back down? So with this EMA is starting a weekend below VWAP. We'll look for sell side trades. If we get above VWAP, well, that'll change that narrative a little bit for me. Ooh, we do have a trade detector bubble just showed up. Little trade detector bubble shows up. Dang it. Might be too late to the party. Too late. Too late. Too late. Maybe if we pull back again real quick, I'll go long. Playing off that trade detector bubble right there. It's not going to give me a shot. It's going to leave without me. Yeah, just put that video out today, I think. Still programming the portable rig. Short previous, high, and then go long. Yeah, Jesse's slacking. So he don't got time for you guys. Funny, funny, funny. So if these EMAs weaken, I'm going to look for a little spot to smack it back down. Are they going to give it to me? Or are we going to push above that VWAP? Can we regain that VWAP? I might want to be on the buy side. Or at least a little push up. All right. Come on down. Let's get these EMAs a little bit weaker. I'm going to smack it. EMAs are getting a little bit weaker here. Let's just see. Price is that? What price is that? 335. On the 30-minute chart, though, we got to be careful, too. We have this big, nasty down candle. If we get back above the halfway point of that candle, it's going to increase the odds we're going all the way back up to the high of it. Call for wired internet. I'm going to give it a shot short. Give it a shot short. It's going to stop me out instantly. All right, got me on that one. Want Elon to come through? Starlink doesn't work too bad. Starlink's pretty decent. 725 up there. Is we get a push? All right, I'm gonna try to push it back up again. Let's see, can we push it? Push it. Push it up. Can we push it up? You see right here, we're trying to get above that VWAP right there. There we goes. There we goes. I think Fios is better myself. We might target up here a little bit more. I'm probably gonna hit the close button here in a minute. I'm gonna close it. That once again puts me at new session highs. So even though I got stopped out of trade before, I'm back at session highs. We got another trade detective bubble showing up right here as well. So look at Nikkei. So the only indice down for the US is the Dow is down 32 points. Oh, look at Nikkei. Nikkei is only down 35. Kospi's down 80.99. Crude oil's down 123. Gold's down 5. So gold's trying to bounce back here a little bit as well. So anybody playing the VWAP bands on gold, you guys are having a field day tonight. Could have played it bounce right here for a sell side, buy side right down here. I got none of it. All right, we're ripping pretty good. So much for getting a rejection off the VWAP and coming down. Instead, we formed a little bull flag, pushed above the VWAP. Short term, we are starting to get overbought. You see the red background? I've really been working on making sure my winners are bigger than my losses. You guys have probably noticed that, but sometimes, you know, I'm up quite a bit on a trade and it comes back and just smacks me in the face. So that's unfortunate. Don't forget, we are going to be doing a Lucid giveaway tonight. So make sure you smash that like button, all that fun stuff. Oh, dang it. Let me get that window moved. Hold on a second. All right. Yeah, Fios, it didn't work well. I don't know. It works way better than the cable has for me. Way better. I just keep getting my line chopped. The pool people dug into it. My cousin did it. Oh, hey, Kim, I appreciate that. Kim, you might want to hang around for a little bit. We're going to be giving away a Lucid account today. So anybody that, you know, blew up their accounts this week, got a chance to get a free one. Hey, T-Coop, what's up? I got 2 gig speed. I had the 500 over 500 for a while. Upgraded to 2 gig. Now you got me wondering what is my speed right now while I'm streaming. Put you in the ducker. I told you to remind me on Sunday night. So let's see. Run the speed test right now. Let's see where we're at. You got 2 payouts from it. Hey, just ain't right. At least you got payouts. Yeah, my upload's slacking a little bit tonight. Probably because I'm streaming right now, though, too. Let's see. Let me screenshot this. Here's my internet speed. So there's my internet speed right now as we're streaming. So my upload should be around 2, but it's not. I got 2 gig download, 2.3 download. Should be 2 upload, but probably because we're streaming. So hey, Raphael, I appreciate that. Everybody that smash that like button on today's video, I do appreciate it. So what the? Hold up. Oh, it's Amazon. There's some blinking lights out there in my driveway. Wow, Amazon's working late tonight. Holy cow. Holy camole. Yeah, it's a soft breach. The 50K daily loss limit, 1K is a soft breach. That is a fact. All right, let's go see. They bring it up. That's weird. Oh, it just dropped it off. What did they drop off? It's a pretty big box. Huh. Now I don't have any Lucid daily. I have Lucid daily accounts we're gonna give away. I have some flex accounts. I have some pro accounts we're gonna be giving away this week. All right, we have the regression channel still sloping down. And we're trying to get 9 count, but I think this candle is going to end up closing too low to get that 9 count. Hey, what's up? What's up? Yeah, I'll probably have a duck race tonight. That's the plans. That is the plans. We'll see. Hey, Raj, what's up? How's your weekend? Market sick. Well, good. Hopefully it'll give me some of that money. All right, just like we talked about the VWAP a moment ago, price coming up to it. Would it reject back down? Come down the VWAP and we end up rejecting back up. That's going to be bullish. I'm going to even more so want to be on the buy side of the market. Oh, driving back home. Nice. The Dow's only down 4 points at the moment. Wow, crude oil is even going lower. Hey, so does anybody know what's driving crude oil tonight? Crude oil is getting murdered. So, you want a duck? Yeah, gold's only down 1 point now. But crude oil is getting smoked. Nikkei is back in the green. So look, Nikkei was up, came all the way down, and now it's back red again. Got green a little bit right here, barely red, down 19 points. Kospi still down 80 points though. Yeah. Hey, Raj, I don't know if you saw it, but on gold, we had a pretty good double trade on gold off the VWAP bands. I didn't take it, but 5 minute came right up here to the upper VWAP bands, smacked it all the way down to lower VWAP bands, and almost made it back up to the upper bands again. So it's getting pretty nice moves. Hey, Mongo, so if you make more than 50%, let's say on day one in that TPT account, you make $2,000 out of the 3,000, you'll now have to make $4,000 to pass. So if you are over 1,500 bucks in the TPT accounts, what I would do is I would lose some money. hit buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, and get it down to right around 1,500. Took the micros to the phone. Nice. Ice water isn't working. He took over the dining room table. Looks like Best Buy. Oh no, hey, real estate. So look, you don't try to make or lose any money. Look, let's say you have to lose $200. Just go to max size and hit buy close. You'll lose the spread just like that, plus commissions. I'm up 1,100 at the moment before commissions. So not too shabby. Pretty happy with it. I had a good start to the session before the stream. I was up 6 something. Then the first trade on stream was green. Then I went to where I took a little losing streak. I was only up like 110 or so. And now we come back to up 1,100. So economic sanctions, less bombs. So let's see. Yeah, see you later, Raj. Hey, it's funny that YouTube changes it. When you guys say later, Raj, later paradise. At least that's how I see it on my end. I think you're saying a different language, so it says later paradise. Changed it. I wish I wouldn't do that. But there's a setting where I can turn that off. I just don't know. Maybe. What time is it? We got about 23 minutes until HSI opens up. No, hey, Streambean, you got to make $50 a month twice. That's once you are funded. Twice in a 30-day period. To keep the account active. Now, I wish it was make or lose, but I mean, you should be able to make $50 twice within a 30-day period. If not, you're probably blowing up the account anyways. Gotta keep the intraday drawdown away. You can get the EOD accounts. I've really been surprised by how many traders I've talked to that actually they say they prefer the intraday drawdown. They really say that's Apex. I've been really surprised. Everyone's like, Apex intraday drawdown, it's a scam. And I talk to traders like, yeah, I'm just used to it. I get the intraday accounts. I'm like, then why were you complaining before? Like, oops, sorry for hitting the mic. I was like, you guys are crazy. Craziness. So. Yeah, EOD is easier to pass, for sure. Especially if you're a trader that really likes to let a trade run on you. Man, the EOD accounts are much better. If you just go for base hits, it really doesn't matter as much. EOD accounts are still easier, but yeah. Traders that don't blame themselves will blame the markets. Yeah. At least when I went on till, I wasn't even mad at the market. I was just like, I wasn't even mad. I was just trying to get it back. Like, it's crazy how quick we can lose control in the markets. It is nuts. Yeah, I just go for base hits and the to defeat the intraday trailing drawdown. Just go for base hits. So all you gotta do, base hit, base hit, base hit, base hit, and you're good. Or you have a better shot of being good. Let's say that. Again, there is no guarantees, but Lobster Dad. So depending on what account size you have, so with a 50K account, the daily loss limit is 1,000 with an EOD account. So if you drop down below $1,000, it'll lock you out for the day. And then at 6 o'clock at night, you can start trading it again when the markets reopen. Now I have a love and hate relationship with daily loss limit. I can't tell you how many accounts it's saved from locking me out for the day. I'm locked out, I'm like, you son of a, and then I end up going on to pass that account or even get that account to pay out. Where if they would not have locked me out, I probably would have blown it up. But I hate when I get locked out. when they forcibly lock me out, I can't trade till 6. It's irritating, but it's better. It's better for the longevity of the accounts. Can't see they're running to 780. 780. Oh my goodness. Holy smokes. Yeah, I don't think 780 tonight either. 780 is way on up there. Before we get to 780, one of the targets I'm watching is right here at 595. Oh, there you go. Yeah, and Mongo, just be done with that account for the day now. Easy peasy. Don't, hey, Mongo, so tonight also counts for tomorrow. So don't trade that account again tomorrow until after 5 o'clock. So after 6 o'clock when the markets reopen. Yeah, you can pass in 3 days. So right now, today and Monday count as 1 day. If you trade Monday night at 6 o'clock, that'll count as, 6 o'clock and beyond will count for Tuesday. They're trying to rip this thing back up. Yeah, 780 would be massive. For Asia, I probably miss it. I probably try to short it. We get a big move up there where it looks like it's going to 780. I'll probably be on the sell side. Get run over. I would guess. Yeah, just trade the personal account in the morning. Yeah, that'd be a smarter choice. Just make sure you don't accidentally start. Because your luck is you think you're on the personal account and you run that TPT account up like 10 grand tomorrow. That would suck. Oil's still down 160. Gold's up 3.9 now. 4-hour EMA right around 453. That's not much above where we just were. Right up in here. Only need 250 now. Man, that last little bit is the worst. The last little bit to get to a payout or the last little bit to pass the evaluation is the absolute worst. I'll blow up more accounts trying to focus on that last little bit than anything in the prop accounts. Well, that and I got to get it back. Those two things. I'm not really a big fan of having, daily targets or targets in general, like monetary goals for your trading, because you'll find that a lot of stupid crap will happen. Like the story I told about when the first time I quit my job day one. But, the prop accounts, we're automatically, we got to make this much to pass. We got to make this much to get a payout. Yeah. $2 away. Yeah, when you cross $10, hey, you passed. I remember being at Disney one day with the family. I get an email. It says, sorry, your account has breached. I was like, I'm not even in a trade. I already hit my target. Nope. So I had some open trades going. I had something messed up with the order. Where it was supposed to get out, I had the wrong quantity put in. So I was in, let's say, one contract. I had it to exit 2 contracts. That was great. Away from passing evaluation. And all the way back. Yeah, I've done that too, Cheryl. Or Miranda. Sorry. I've done that too, Miranda. Crazy how that happens. It's because we're focused on the outcome and not the process. You're like, oh, I just need this much more. Instead of saying, all right, where's the next really good trade at? We're at that point, we're not worried about the next good trade. We just need to make a little bit more extra money to pass. And that's where the problem comes in. So it's crazy. It's crazy how fast we can go on tilt. Like I was fine when we left the live stream last week, Wednesday or Thursday, whatever day that was. I said, oh no, I got to pass this MFF account. And the funny part was I thought it was going to have a time limit. Not only was I not close to 30 days, but with the cancel accounts, I'm like, how can I not cancel these accounts? Because they're a one-time fee. So all that was done unnecessarily. Oh well. Oh well. All right, we do have the dial up, so all 4 indices for the US are in the green. Wow, Nikkei is ripping pretty good. Nikkei is up 160 now, 179. Kospi's coming back pretty good too. Kospi's only down 66. So we have about 13 minutes and the HSI will be open as well. Month's value area is kind of narrow. Think we're overbought here a little bit? Not yet, but something I am watching is this little area. You guys can't see it on that chart. We'll go to 30 minutes. Oops. 30 minute. There we go. This little area right up in here. Candle body to the candle wick right up in the zone. I think we're going to try to make it back up there. And then if we can clear this area right there, then I think we're working our way towards the zone up here. I really think we're going to make it up here. I really do. But oil new lows. Yeah, oil's getting clobbered out here. Oil is absolutely getting destroyed. Interesting. I'm trying to get a little pullback right here. We're good on bar number 8 right now. I think it might close a little bit too low though. We're only at the roughly the first deviation band on the VWAP. Yeah, TPT 3 days to pass. Oh, there you go, ripping right back up. We did get a bar 8. That bar did close high enough to be count bar 8. So this could be bar number 9 right here. We don't break 458, we should come back down. Hey, Patriot, what's up? What's up? Good evening. Wow, oil's down 194. Jeez. So what's the dealie with oil? Oil's down over 2%. 2.2% tonight. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I don't really know. Will pullback then go higher? Maybe. Wouldn't mind seeing if you actually think about it. From Friday, we're kind of still stuck all the way from about 12 o'clock Friday. We're just kind of stuck in this little area. It's a little wide chopping range. And look, if you look right over here, we broke above VWAP. We did come back down to test it, so I am favoring more buy side. We're below the lower regression channel. Should I take a swing at this? Feel a little bit better if we had a trade detector bubble. In Apex 50K PA, it says when you are at 53K, when you're at 53K, your daily loss limit should still be 1K. I don't think they changed the daily loss limit. Yeah, I'm curious now. Let's go look. Let's go looky. Let's go look. New rules were new products. Let's see. EOD. So your maximum loss limit would be 2K. No, your maximum loss limit would be 2,900 actually. Drawdown explained. So the EOD drawdown stops trailing when you get to your drawdown amount plus $100. So in the $50,000 account size, once you made $2,100, it'll quit trailing up. I don't see where it talks about the daily loss limits. Oh. DLL. Yeah, you just pause for the day. I don't see where it changes. I don't see where it changes. Yeah, your funded is EOD if your eval was with Apex. Hey, Eric, what's up? Are we going to come back down to the VWAP again? We got gold getting smoked. No, hey, I don't have the 9 count on a Renko chart. This is on a 1 minute chart. Works on daily charts, weekly charts, hourly charts, 240-minute charts, 5-minute charts. Look, here's a 5-minute chart right here. Called the high right there. Boom, smack down. Now, not every one is going to work. Some days they're working better in the 1 minute. Some days they're working better in the 5 minute. So, hey, Manuel. And it's been third-party verified by at least 2 different firms that it does have an edge. Now, if you can combine it with something else, it's even better. So instead of just saying, okay, 9 count, short it, because the 9's above it. If you have some other factor to factor in there, you can really boost up the win-loss ratio. But when you add other filters, you are going to miss some of the good ones as you filter out some of the bad ones too. You're not just going to filter out bad trades. So. Wow, oil's still getting pummeled. Oil's gonna make me want to counter trend it. Look at oil go. We look at oil on the VWAP bands. It's not quite at the third band yet. It's kind of riding that second band down. I'm really debating on that. Really debating on taking a little counter trend. Probably shouldn't though. We have gold going back down as well. Gold coming back down. Nikkei coming back down a little bit. Kospi coming back down a little bit. HSI opening up here in about 5 minutes. So we'll see how that's going to open up. Yeah, Hong Kong's going to open up here in just a little bit. Getting close. Getting close. To it. Don't forget, guys and gals, smash that lucky like button. We are going to be trying to do a duck race today. So get those little duckies all warmed up, ready to go. We'll be giving away a Lucid account tonight. So we'll see who's got what it takes to win the duck race. Yeah, I got to figure it out. I might have enough accounts for the remainder of the week. I'll figure it out here in a little bit to do 2 giveaways every night. Not tonight, but every night. So tomorrow morning, two accounts. Tomorrow night, 2 accounts. Tomorrow, the following night, so on and so forth. So. Trade in the kitchen when the late. Your wife's gotta love it when you have the all your computer stuff on the kitchen table. When are you gonna move this stuff? And a fun intraday. Hey, so which one of those accounts do you like better? Wild, do you like the EOD or the intraday? Trying to pull back here a little bit. Let's see. Do we come back down to the VWAP once again? And does it hold? Maybe. J Love says his duck has what it takes. All right, we're going to see, J Love. Don't disappoint. Do not disappoint. I have 2 different platforms I use. I use Mentor Q and I use Spot Gamma. So I use both. I like Spot Gamma being able to see where the options flow is coming through. But I also like Mentor Q too. So I thought I had my other hat on. New economic sanctions against Iran on Monday. No signs of a deal. When you lose your code, your duck uses code Mike. Appreciate that. Had 2 free codes. Yeah, it is cheaper. The bad news, though, the GEX levels aren't as good at night. The options market isn't really moving as much. So they're not as good at night as the New York session. Yeah, but look, hey, Wild Dude, so if you blow up a lot of accounts, it's still cheaper to buy the lower dollar accounts. I want to say Bookmap's useless for Asia, but I do like it better than the New York session. I still get my sounds off Bookmap for the time being, which I probably need to go ahead and see if AI can write something for that. Doop, doop, doop. How to make a sim account? I don't, but it's pretty easy under the account tabs. Just right click in that window of the control panel and click add, and there's a tab that says add sim account. You can just name it whatever, or it'll start with sim. You also have tick strike. Break 398, go down further. I'm watching to see if we're going to respect this VWAP. If we start coming down below VWAP, I may look for another short. So I'm in a hurry up and wait mode. All right, HSI should be opened up. How's that looking? Wow, HSI, big gap down. Down 328 points. 1.25%. That also drug the Nikkei back in the red. And the Kospi is down 111. Oh, interesting. We get a little dip in these EMAs. I might look for a short. Yes. Yes, might be trying to make it down here as well. Could have a double top on the 1 hour. Let's see. Thank you. Dang it, I should have went long that crude oil. Maybe top 1, top 2, maybe. Well, we saw this big nasty down candle on the 1 hour. We've definitely overcome half that candle. So I still think we want to go back up to about 511. We look at crude oil. I should have took a shot. I was thinking about it too. I was thinking about looking for that little counter trend bounce. Should have. A 25K intraday. I like TPT's 25K accounts only because you get a little bit more drawdown. All right, look, we're getting back down below VWAP. All right, there's where I should. I said if we bounce back up, I should short it. We bounced up and I was over looking at another chart. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. And TPT right now is still 50% off. I think the sale ends tomorrow, if I remember right. I think the sale will be over tomorrow. So if you want to take advantage of 3 days to pass, 50% off, you know, you might want to check it out. Let's see this. Are we going to firm up here off the VWAP? Got a little hammer candle on the 1 minute. I'll wait and see. Can the EMAs firm up here a little bit? They firm up a little bit. I may take a little long. We did dip below VWAP, but we did not get price acceptance below it. To me, this would just be a valid test, at least at this point. I'll see this EMA firm up a little bit more, and I might take a swing at it. Don't trade Sundays? Oh, man. Sunday is one of my favorite nights to trade. Maybe because I'm jonesing all the way from the weekend, but... We're trying to firm up here a little bit. We haven't got it yet. Pull back just a little bit right here. I might take a swing at it. Just a little bit. Hmm. Good thing we haven't really pushed out that yet. Good thing I didn't. Good thing. All right. Out of drawdown. Nice. Let's get it. We're coming all the way back down. Nikkei down 14. HSI down 390. Kospi down 125. Yeah, Hank Seng had a big gap. Big old gap down. I'm thinking about going long here. We're kind of chopping around this VWAP right here. Are we going to get a hold and go? It might not. Hey, good evening. All here, the market makers. Yeah, we have Jackson Hole this week. Is Wall Street going to be able to stop the markets from crashing? Time is it right now? 9:38. 9:38. Let's get it. Go for some gold moves. Gold's had some decent moves already tonight, too. Playing the fade trading golds worked out fairly well. I didn't take any of them, but looking at the charts, we identified the first one before it dropped. An Apex 50K PA. Yeah, 52,100. Yeah, it stops trailing at 52,100. It'll no longer move. But the DLL, the daily loss limit, is always $1,000. Now, if you make $2,000 in one day, that day until the market closes, you'd have $3,000 of daily loss limit. So anything that you're up on the day adds to that $1,000 DLL for the day. Two Camp Sam. Yeah, TBT 25K, 1,500 by 1,500. Yep, $1,500 drawdown by $1,500 take profit to pass. So come on, move on up. Moving on up. We saw the regression channel sloping up over here on the NASDAQ. It's not as steep as it was. For the time being, it's still sloping up, but it's trying to flatten out here a little bit. I see it just went down a little bit more. Wouldn't mind being able to take this up to about 422 at the moment. We'll see if we can get a little push. A little push. All we need is a little push. You're funded on 25K. No, hey, J Loves, I messed up last week before I went on tilt. I had messed up the night before that, I think, or the night before that. I was switching the groups around and I didn't realize I was in a hurry on stream, and I put the leader for those two VWAP challenge accounts in it, and they were grouped with my 150K TPT accounts. Yeah, it didn't work out good for them. So one hit the daily loss limit and one got blown. I still have the account. Kind of funny that hit the daily loss limit. The next day, I was upset. I just torched the other account. I said, F this. Let's run those contracts. Bam, blew it. I was mad because I already had the start of a video for that video I was going to do for the VWAP challenge. So that kind of sucks. No, it's not even like I failed. I mean, I did fail it, but not. I wouldn't have been so bad. I could have kept the video had I failed it legitly, but I did not. So, which kind of sucks, but we'll do it again. I need to get back to get my funded accounts first. Last week did me dirty. I did myself dirty last week. Yeah, I haven't went on tilt. Like, that's probably the worst tilt session I had for prop accounts. Like, I don't think I've ever spent right around 5K in a day on prop accounts. That was pretty bad. But when I first blew up, I almost said, I'll wait till 5 o'clock to buy the account so the market's not moving. And I'm like, F that, I gotta get a day count in. And then torch the accounts again and again and again. It's kind of funny in hindsight, but not so funny when I was going through it. Look, you can see that regression channel almost going sideways. So that center line now is roughly where my target's at. Oh yeah, you can definitely hedge in the older ones, but you know, that strategy can't translate over into getting payouts, so. But you definitely get to a funded account really quick that way. Come on, rip it up a little bit more. Let's get it. Hit my target. Who my stop loss in the money? Yeah, I really should, but should and do, you know. Still, I'd be stopped out right now. I'm still in the game at the moment. What I should have done is I should have just took it off up here. Said close. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Is what it is. DK's up 64. Wow. HSI is still going lower, down 444. Well, I didn't realize dollar did pop up pretty good today too. Little double bottom in dollar. Dollar went ripping. $3K gold. Jesse on here can pass 150K accounts in one day all the time. Oh yeah, Apple, I don't really like to recommend brokers. I feel bad if you got involved in them and they took all your money. I feel bad. I might get stopped out here. I should have moved my stop in the money. I don't know about notoriously good. The end of September and October usually aren't so favorable for the markets. And as I'm looking at this Look at this on a 5-minute real quick. Hey, are we going to try to form a little ABC pattern here to the downside? This being the A to B leg. Correct the move back up here for the B to C. If so, it gives us a target back down here at 302. Something to think about. Initially, it's just set out at a 5-point TP and a 10-point stop loss. But I'm always moving. It's just more of a placeholder. 29,000 tonight. I doubt it while we're on stream. I doubt we hit 29K while we're on stream. Maybe when London opens up, but I still want to see us hit the pony controls off the weekly. 77.25 on the ES and 29,595 on the NASDAQ is ideally what I want to see, but we'll see. So 302 is your final TP. London will manipulate and possibly take prices higher. Maybe. Well, this week we're kind of light on news. So Monday we had Besant speaking at 2. Consumer confidence on Tuesday at 10. Wednesday, PC and preliminary GDP numbers coming out. Thursday, wow, Jackson Hole, a little bit of Jackson Hole. Weekly unemployment claims. Then Friday we have a little bit. Walsh is going to be speaking. So we'll see. Could get fun. Could get fun. I'm trying to push this market down here at the moment. I'm about to take another swing along here. Guess by better judgment, I did go long, but we'll see. We'll see. Probably won't be too favorable for me. That's gonna suck. Wow, almost back to the low of the night. Dang it, I took the count to 110 earlier. All the way up to 1100. Now I'm back at 112. That's honest. That's awesome. A little late to the party here. A little bit late. Am I going to go green to red tonight? We might. Hopefully not. Hopefully we don't go green to red. Hey Eric, what's up? What's up? I was happy where I was at around up 1100, but you know, let me just take another trade here. Let me take another trade there. Let me fight the markets a little bit. And now I'm red on the night. Fantastic. Let's go back over and look real quick. Yeah, Nikkei is only up 9.45. Cost me down 127. The HSI is not having fun. Look at Hong Kong down 503. Almost down 2% on the night. I don't watch our RSI. I don't use RSI myself. So. All right, I went long again. Oh boy. We gotta get this HSI to bounce. Also down 173. 416. 416 is a regression channel high. I'm hoping they can start flattening this out. We got to get up here a little bit. Start trying to flatten that out. Come on, baby. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it, please. And thank you. Hope I lose my money for being greedy. All right. Thank you. That's all right. It comes back around. Wish bad on others and bad will be done to you. I don't dare wish somebody a bad day. The market will come back at me out of vengeance. No, 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 no. No. I do lose. I mean, I'm no different than anybody else. I do go on tilt from time to time. So it's all good. Friday's POC. Yeah, right around Friday's point of control. POC, right around it. Somebody sounds frustrated. And watch, it might come down and get me this time. That's fine. It's all good. We did have a trade detector bubble right here, which I probably should have killed the trade on that trade detector bubble, maybe even flipped it short. Regression channel going down or went below VWAP, got the retest. That's all good. It doesn't bother me. It really doesn't bother me. Does not bother me. You're wishing bad on others? Well, I feel bad for you. Your life sucks, is what it is. It is what it is. If you've been on the stream long enough, you know I get down all the time. All the time. A lot of times I can come back. I don't know if it'll be the case this time. We'll see. We will see. I wish the best for everybody. It'll spit in the wind. It comes right back at you. Oh, man. What is that? They're giving it up pretty good. Again, if we get this HSI to turn around, might get a little bit of a bounce, but I gotta really reconsider this. Because we did go below VWAP and we came back up, we got the valid test. So we might be trying to add a little bit lower. Yeah, fine. I'm with you on that. Let's see, is the selling accelerating over here in the Nikkei? Nikkei is going down a little bit more. Cost me down 134. Look at the HSI. HSI down 520. 521. What's that look like on the 30? It looks pretty ugly. Alibaba and ADR drop nearly 5%. Yeah, Cosby trying to come back down even lower. I think Cosby just took out Cosby down at the session lows, making new lows. Nikkei is trying to pull back here a little bit. So let's get it. Woo-wee. All right, we are back down at the lower regression channel. Do I dare take the trade? Short term, we are oversold. See the green background? I don't know, man. Nikkei has me a little bit. Nikkei and HSI have me a little bit concerned. HSI is still going lower. You really want 302? You might get it. What's the low of the night? Let's see. What's the low of the night? 300. You might get that 302. At 335. All right. ES just got back below VWAP as well. ES breaking down below VWAP. No, hey, TradingView gives it to you for free. The Kospi and the Nikkei. It's free. So if you have a free plan at TradingView, you can get access to it. And the HSI. 538 down. HSI now down 2.07%. Kospi down 2.15%. That's a pretty good little smacking down we got. They showed their hand right here. Went down below VWAP, came back up, kind of retested it, and then bam. Way below that regression channel, man. Really making me want to buy it. Really making me want to look for a little scalpy scalp. I almost just pushed the button down here too. Almost did. I did not though. Coulda, woulda, shoulda, did not. That's fantastic. So now I've been up 1100 and now I'm down 1100. I don't know if I've taken a short trade tonight. All right, hey, good job on that, on being up tonight. I was up good. I just got a little bit greedy with it. Let's see. Let's go look real quick. Look at the Kospi. Yikes. Nikkei's down pretty good too. Gotta hold off here a little bit. I got comms down. Now we have the ES in the red and the NASDAQ's in the red. Dow still up 14 and the Russell is up 3.7. And Nikkei gave it up pretty good. The HSIs. So here in about 30 minutes, Nikkei will be going to lunch. It's all going down. It's trying to. Still pretty far below the regression channel though. Will we get a bounce at some point? Cosby right now is still going down. That's pretty nasty. Straight down 2%. Just beelined it right down there. Yeah, get on one side. Yeah, market's getting it pretty good right now. They're trying to get it. Hey, Finite's getting close to his 302 target. Hasn't quite gotten it yet. Huh. Swipe 302s, it might. ES isn't coming down as fast. Still coming down. Let's go look at YM real quick. YM's holding up a lot better. Hey, Finite, you're about to get your 302s. And then if we look at RTY. It's trying to come down now, but and look at HSI. HSI is still going lower. They're not playing. Jeez. Now we do have some liquidity down here on the NASDAQ down here at 29,200. Might be a spoof order, about 620 something contracts. I don't see anything like that on the ES yet. So it looks like 219 on the hourly. Let's go look. I'll say HSI. I was like, good night. We might make it back down there. MACD is back towards the zero line. Now trying to do a little rollover. No, we were really light on news this week even. So tomorrow we have Bissent speaking at 2. That's it. So gold's back up $11. $11.09. 90 cents. Crude oil is down $1.75. So you'd think with crude oil going up, going down, markets would go up. It's not the case though. HSI really just pummeled the Nikkei and the Kospi. So that's pretty ugly. Pretty ugly. Yeah, let's try and get a little bounce. Came all the way back down to the bottom of this candle here. Mr. Dollar's trying to come back down. FEG on the daily. What price is the FEG on the daily? Man, I looked up here for a moment. I seen 153. I thought HSI just shot up and it was now up 153. I was like, what in the world? So, interesting. I'm seeing liquidity over there. Eddie, what's up? It's 4 a.m. When's NVIDIA have earnings out? When's NVIDIA's earnings? Wednesday. Wow. Yeah, that could be a big one. Wow, look at HSI. Oh, we have not had one green candle yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 consecutive down candles. Like the NASDAQ's getting ready to take out the lows. That's sick. Yes, down there at the first band. NASDAQ's coming up on the second band. But Kospi deteriorated, all 8 new lows. Nikkei's down, but not as much as the Kospi and stuff. So. Not able to get up over the hump. That takes a little bit. I don't really like this. I don't like this. I don't like that Kospi keeps going down here. Nikkei is going to be going to lunch here in 20 minutes. I haven't tried. I haven't tried to trade the nanos yet. Uh-oh. Are we about to get a hammer candle on the HSI? Targets filled. Nice. Hey, good job on that. Finite. Good deal. Man, oh man. Killing it. Hey, how many points did you get on that trade? I think it's 3K. I think it's 3K, Lobster. Or not Lobster, J-Loves. Yeah, that's the problem with nanos. Commission, I mean, if you're trying to scalp them, I think you have to go for some bigger moves if you want them to work out in your favor. 29,000. Hey, we might have 29,200. We have that liquidity down there. We do have that large liquidity down there. So does it hit? It could. So we'll see. I don't know yet. Really debating. Do's I want to. Swing or not. I don't know. If I see a HSI firm up, I might take a crack at it. At the NASDAQ. I gotta see it firm up though. I don't want to just be swinging at it just to swing at it. I think that'd be a little bit foolish here at the moment. So go back at the high. Yeah, gold's getting it a little bit. So we go look at GC real quick. Yeah, rip right back up. And crude oil isn't really doing a whole lot at the moment. Kind of had that push down, came up a little bit going sideways. Yeah, good market. It was doing a lot better for me earlier, but Nikkei is trying to get a little lift. Kospi's still doing pretty ugly. And same thing with HSI. Could want to bounce here. We'll see. I was watching HSI. HSI is what drug our markets down. So I want to see if they can get a little turn here, and then maybe I'll swing some NASDAQ. ES is trying to go up here a little bit. ES is back in the green, up 0.75. Right now, NASDAQ's only one of our 4 indices in the red, down 53 points-ish. VWAP on the NASDAQ, about 385. Bitcoin trying to bounce back up here a little bit. So I'm really trying to watch this. I'm trying to watch the Nikkei, Kospi, and the HSI because I'm really wanting to take a swing at this. Really bad. Really, 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 really bad. But can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get it? Push, 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 push. Yes, is trying to come back to a VWAP. But I want HSI. I want to see HSI firm up here a little bit. HSI firms up, I'm going to smack the NASDAQ. Until it does, I just don't feel good about it. I don't feel good until I can see a little bounce in this HSI. Still looking pretty ugly. So. Or should I just be like, F it? F it. Let me get in. I don't think so yet. I don't know yet. And sucker's gonna run without me. Look, we almost got down to VWAP bands right down here. I'm trying to reject and go back up. Stupid market. I still don't see the HSI bouncing. I thought about smacking some micros. I feel like I might be a little bit late to the party now. Stupid market. HSI is still down there too. Oh, 110 points. Nice. Yeah, that's awesome. Hey, find out you took some of my lunch money. Can't believe HSI is not bouncing with that. Made me a little bit scared to try to pounce on that NASDAQ. Nikkei trying to bounce here a little bit. Yeah. No, hey, it's all good. Fine. I still think I'll get it back. I mean, just because I think it doesn't mean it's going to be the case. But I'm not Debbie Downer about it yet. I was gonna try to play a little breakout, even though we're short-term overbought. Me trying to FOMO into it. Me trying to FOMO into it. Well, the Asia markets. I mean, some of the stocks are traded over there too. But when they come on, they like to trade our markets as well. We have some of the most liquid markets in the world. So. Man, look at that. ES ran back up pretty darn good. Look at the ES all the way back above the VWAP. NASDAQ still is not back at the VWAP yet. I thought about down here. I thought about putting some micros on for a move and just working a DCA into it. This darn HSI scared me out of it though. HSI just was not bouncing. Scared me out of it. So I should have done it. Hindsight. Hindsight. Oh, how'd that get messed up? Well, market analyzer window got out of whack. Oh well. 91-day monetary. Yeah, gold's getting it right now. Be careful with gold though. Gold may be in an area for a little fade trade, but that's quite a few consecutive bars. Maybe I should take a swing at this. GC. GC is up here in the bands. Do we dare take a fade trade on it? We're got a 9 count right here on the NASDAQ. Do we take a fade on gold? I don't know. You take it, BK? I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about bouncing on trying to take a piece of that. I just don't know yet. NASDAQ just keeps piling up too. I'm debating. I'm itching to trade that gold. Market slapping you around, slapping me around too. Yeah, so the Nikkei will be on lunch here in 11 minutes. You are correct. Man, I really like that gold. I don't know. Wouldn't mind just taking it down here at about 99, 98, 99, somewhere about there. Small little pop on the way down. Could be a good one. Could be. So we got a 9 count right here too. Regression channel still sloping down. Do I dare? Gotta be careful. I don't want to make my night worse. Love the golden retriever. Yeah, we've had German shepherds. Let's go back and check real quick. I'm starting to get antsy here. HSI is trying to get a little bounce. A little bounce. Is it going to be short-lived? Possibly trying to get a little bounce. Nikkei now is only down 73. £4 Yorkie. Well, it's funny. Our other German Shepherd was bigger. Like, he was a big boy. And he was more of a gentle giant. Where one we have now, she'll tear your butt up. Like, she does not play at all. You do not want none of that. No, I don't see him now, but the market on open orders come before the market opens, and then the market MCO orders will show up 10 minutes before the market closes. That's what causes that 350 algo. What's the 9 count? The best way to find out what the 9 count is, Nightbot's going to post a video here in a moment. Check out that video. In that video, I'll show you guys how you can also get the indicator for free. And I explain to it what it is, how it showed up near other major stock market corrections, crashes, all that fun stuff. Came to 38.2. Eyeballing it looks more than 38.2 from where I pull a fib. From up here down to here. Came almost to the 50. Not quite, almost. Long 29,380. Well, we're not there yet. Oh, 1 hour? Yeah, it might be a little bit different. Even south on the MES now. I don't know. If we pull back a little bit, I might start a micro position. I'm debating it. Because I do like on the 4 hour that 595 point of control from last week. I like that area. I like it a lot. Yeah, look, HSI is trying to come out. Only down 489 now. Nikkei down 62. Oh, it's backing down. Here's sellers, but are they going to keep on selling? Again, we still got the regression channel sloping down. We had the 9 count right up here as well. Trust you? If I'm gonna buy, I don't want to wait till all the way up there. Let me get a little pullback so I can smack it. What was I gonna do? I gotta turn the AC down. NASDAQ equal low at 300. Let's go check real quick. HSI. Still only down 471. Are we gonna push? All right, F it. Let's go. All right, I'm long. Nikkei is trying to firm up here a little bit. Kospi's trying to go up. Nikkei is only down 9. You know, hopefully I don't regret this. Kind of a FOMO entry. You can see we're way far away from the EMAs. I like to get something out of this. Eating a bowl of Cocoa Pebbles. Hey, the HSI is down 500 something points, Jesse. So I was up 1100. Now I'm down. Gonna be probably 1300 here in a moment. Yeah, go up. Stupid market. Stupid market. So much volatility tonight. That's not crazy. I'm just on the wrong side of it. I actually like the moves we've had today. I called out a couple short trades. I just didn't take them. And they would have worked. I don't know what was into me. Oil's trying to come back a little bit. Oil's only down 156 now. Was down over $2 at one point. So yeah, we're gonna come into doldrums. Yeah, Bob, they're eating my lunch tonight. I started off good too. I was up good. I was very happy where I was at. So happy I said, here, let me give you back your money. Then take some of mine. But hey, this could be a little bull flag-ish. This being the flagpole. We have the flag-ish like that. Maybe. You know, the market makers were giving me a pity party. Oh, my poor kids. I got to put them through college. And I was like, maybe I should give them some of their money back. So I did. Hey, we have the opening price up here as well. Do we maybe make it back up there? I don't know. We got to get through that VWAP first. VWAP's at 383. Yeah, Nikkei's at lunch now, so it should stop moving. But break even. Yeah, I probably should have. Ooh, string bean. That's a good question. I don't know. I don't know. I know Nikkei opens up at 8. No, I don't use other time to marks theories. Come on. Come on up. I needs it to go. Session high and lows. Stupid market. Come on, push it. Please and thank you. If it runs up there, I'll be good. Hey, Raphael, have a good night. If it runs up there, I'll be in good shape. Good. Let's get it. Let's get it. Right on up there. Yeah, please and thank you. Yeah, try to be courteous to the markets. Maybe I'll be courteous back. We go real quick. Let's go check out this chart. You decided trying to come back down. What about gold? Gold trying to get a little roll. Hey, BK, did you take that gold trade yet? I like gold down to 99 to 98. 98, 99-ish. Can we get on down there? Get it. You're in it? Nice. You don't do micros? You don't know what you're missing. Mm, 16 something. 16.4, 16.6. Hold on, I'll tell you exact credit card. Let me see. Let's see. When did I get that? What month did I buy that? Yeah, I got it in July. Oh, $16,590.94. Oh, shipping and everything. Shipping was pretty expensive. It's funny, after I bought it the next week, after I bought it, they had free shipping. I think shipping was a couple $100. Came from Puerto Rico. So. Am I fading the 9 count? Not right now, I'm not. Stupid NASDAQ. Just go higher. Look, NASDAQ, I'm going to draw a line for you. Right here. I bet you can't get past these 2 green lines up there. The foil thing's pretty neat. It's pretty neat flying over the water. It's funny when you go past people are like, how's he flying out of the water? You can see it, they're like amazed. But gotta take my daughter out this weekend. She's liking it quite a bit. It's pretty cool. Good. Yeah, maybe. You might be. You might not be. Hey, good night. Yeah, sorry, lunchtime. Yep, Nikkei is at lunch. So I'm hoping this will just go ahead and squeeze on up here for me. You might not. I'll trade evening sessions forever. I used to stream the Asia session for a few years before I ever streamed the New York. But I've always I wouldn't say always. I probably traded the Asia session since 07-ish, 2007-ish. It's way better now than it used to be. Way better. So if I wasn't on stream, I'd still be trading at night. Now, I probably wouldn't take as many trades. I do take more trades being on stream, but oh, you can't split your two entries? You gotta change the chart trader. So if you right click in this area right here on chart trader, go to properties. I think in the very top one, ATM strategy selection mode. I think you have to set the keep selected ATM strategy. So right here, you have to change it to that. Then it will. Oh, you can separate it by right clicking? I didn't know that. I was not aware of that. Hey, but you need to make sure you save the workspace after you do it. Otherwise, when you shut down your machine and you turn it back on, it'll be right back to how it is now. So. Come on. Ridiculous. Hey, gold's trying to come down here a bit. So gold's trying to get that turned down. Remember I said 97 to 90. I said 98.99. 98.99. Are we going to get it? Is gold going to get down there and get it? Get it. It might. We're at 03 right now. Another 4 points-ish. Can I get another 4 points? Calling 4 points. 4 points, 4 points. 4 points, please. 4 points. 4 points. Going down a little bit more. All right, I'm going to bail on my gold short. I'm going to bail. That eats up a lot of my loss. That just ate up a lot of my loss. That BK got out too. Nice. Actually, if we get the market back up here, I'll be green for the night. You stupid gold. Oh, if I would have held it, look, we got 98. Got 97, 98 right there. I was just a little scaredy pants because I was already down for the night. You piece of junk. All right, let's get it. Keep on ripping. Rip. Probably should have took that off up here. I could have repositioned. You're long at 380. Well, if you're right and it goes up, I'm in a better spot than you are. If it goes up. I wouldn't mind seeing it go 380 right now. 380 would be pretty good. Daily loss limits on the EOD accounts are $1,000, which I do like that better. I do like that better than some of the other prop firms with their daily loss limit. So if you get $2,000 drawdown, you lose half of it, you're locked out. Some other prop firms, they'll let you lose more than half. Then the next day you have way less drawdown. It makes it a little bit harder to pass if you already hit your daily loss limit. So I do like that Apex does that. They have it set at $1,000 versus a little bit more. Because then you're basically blown up. You don't have enough wiggle room on day two to make anything happen. Nice. 1550. I gladly accept that right now. I really thought I was gonna be at 1500 and I was up 1100. I'm like, oh yeah. And then loss. Tried for a little bit too big of moves a couple times and didn't work out. HSI trying to come back down again. Kospi's trying to turn back down again. Yeah, sure. I'm not up 300 now. Big move up or down? Yeah, we'll see. Well, since I'm long, it'll probably be a big move down. Or probably be a big enough move down to stop me out and then rip up. Joker. MFF does have fast payouts. Pretty darn fast. No doubt about that. Oh, I think Jesse's going to join us. Let's see. Let's get it. Keep on chirping. How come I can't find my headphones? Wow, that's weird. Really weird. All right, they're trying to rip it. Ooh wee. Let's get it. Let's get it. Freaking gold, man. I could have made so much more on gold. Ah, dang it. Gold went way below my expectations. I was almost debating on trying to take all the way to VWAP, but I got scared. I was already down for the night, so while I was green, I had to make sure I was able to get some of that green. So. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the lucky like button. We are going to be giving away a Lucid account here tonight. So, what time is it? Yeah, I'll probably do that giveaway here in about half hour-ish or so. Then I think we're going to give away 2 tomorrow, 2 tomorrow night, 2 every stream for the rest of the week is what I'm hoping for. Yeah, I thought you said you were getting in at 380. How are you out already? We didn't even make it to 380. I really wish I would have held gold a little bit longer. If I would have held gold, I would have been from where I got out at. I would almost be back at session highs if I was still in it. Yeah. So anybody that traded gold, congrats. I did. I got out early though. Gold has some very good trades tonight. Second deviation band down to the second deviation below, back up to the deviation bands. And we'll see how low we go this time. No, I'm down for the night right now. I'm down. If this NASDAQ trade works out, I'll be doing good, but for the moment, I'm actually red on the night. Yeah, we just hit my stop. All right, Jesse's ready to finally show up. All right, guys, Jesse's with us. Now they do.
All right, you got me now? There we go. Oh, I sound like crap. What happened there?
Oh, no, it's not like you're clipping. I didn't see it, though. I went to look at the meter, but.
All right, are we better now? All right. What's up, everybody? Let me know if I sound all right. Yeah, Mecca's still daylight over here. Yep.
That's crazy. It's been dark forever over here. Nah, maybe not forever. But. Did you trade at all tonight?
Yeah, earlier before I had to go to the storage unit. But it was weird because my Ninja Trader was way behind. Like, it was doing some weird stuff. I figured it out, but I got in a trade and then I was like, wait a minute, how am I down $1,000?
You're down 1,000?
Yeah, so like my chart had a big gap up. I mean, like big gap up, but I had to reload all the historical data. I was messing around in market replay this weekend and I think that messed something up. I don't know.
Shoot.
Yeah, but anyways, got it fixed.
Did you get the money back?
Yeah. I closed that trade right away and then got it back. So I'm up 1657. I mean, it's only sim. 1657.
Oh, you didn't trade your funded account?
No, I don't have them yet. It's probably because I got, I passed those things Friday. So for them to make a live account, they're probably going to do it
tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Oh man, 55-inch TV for the main monitor.
Sweet.
I had a 65-inch for a while. Possibly trying to go back down here. Well, that's good then. At least you weren't down any real money.
No. No. And then
That's not bad.
I had to go bring my wife's Peloton bike from the storage to the garage here, and man, those things are heavy. Woo.
Is that the one where it looks like you're riding through different scenery?
Yeah, they got a screen on them and stuff. Yep.
Hey, the first day is always everybody's hardest day trading a funded account. Always.
That's right. Elevated life. What's up, Lee? Good to see you.
Hey, oil was down pretty good earlier. It's only down 156 now, but was down to over $2 earlier.
Really?
Yeah, that's not too shabby. We've had some movements up and down, up and down, up and down. 180 points on the NASDAQ. 21.75 on the ES.
Sounded like a big timer song again.
Up and down.
Let's see. We had some big trades up there too, man, for the sells. 35, 38, 30, 40. That's big for the Asia session. Interesting.
Yeah, we weren't playing. Hey, Deep Charts, what's up? Let's see what happens when Nikkei opens back up.
Yeah, when is that? Half an hour?
Yeah, a little bit more. 11:30.
Yeah.
Hosby's about to take out the lows again. HSI is getting smoked tonight. Wonder what that means for our chip stocks tomorrow. Is Nvidia trade 24 hours?
I think so. I don't know if that includes Sunday night.
Yeah, it's trading. Hey, so I had a big gap up at 8 o'clock. Big gap up. It's kind of pulled back here a little bit.
I might have to shut my windows, man. You can hear my friggin' neighbor's kids out there playing.
Oh, that's funny playing.
So loud.
It's like dark here.
Yeah.
No, I don't think OPEX will have anything to do with Monday. I think that will be done from Friday. Man, hiccups. Gold's trying to move back up. Yes, sir.
Oh, I just realized I don't have my friggin' Bookmap open. What a loser.
Went ahead and took the long on gold down here off that 9 count. I'm getting ready to kill it too. Hey, I'm only down $72.
All right, nice comeback.
Well, I'm not back yet. I was up 1100 at the high water mark. I went up. I think I was first trade out of the gate. I was up like 700 or 800. And then I went down to being up 110. Then I went up to being up 111 or 1100. Then I went down like 700. No, I went down 1100. I was like, geez. That's all I'm saying. They need to cut me a break here. They need to start cooperating with me. Oh, dang it. I should have stayed in it. So I'm long the NASDAQ again. I'm going to try to push all the way back to opening price.
Yeah, buyers stepped in there. I'm along too.
So I'm up pretty good on it here.
I'm just gonna bail out at VWAP up here.
I should take it off. Let's not be stupid here. I can't afford to be stupid this late in the game. I'm almost, if I close this out, I'd actually be higher than where I was when I started the stream. but now down 400. Yeah, that's what happens. I was up 1100, then I went down 1100. So I keep looking for big moves. Yeah, it's great when they work out, but when they don't. Back is friggin' itching. Woo! Man, if this trade keeps on ripping, I have the potential to be up. Back at session highs. We can go up a little bit more.
Let her rip.
Well, I just need the market to keep on ripping. I say keep on ripping, not coming down.
Oh,
This
yeah.
MFer.
Sellers stepped right in, didn't they?
Yeah. They're putting me in the no fun zone. And gold, man, I should have held that gold a little bit longer. I got scared though. Look at gold. Gold's still going up here. Should have held it, but should have, could have, would have. I want to close out this trade. Man, my stop's in the money.
Yeah, I should have closed it when I was up too. Darn it. You're giving back my funds.
I'm moving my stop up a little bit more. That way it can stop me out, then run to really tick me off. Sellers came back from lunch. Yeah, let's went to the vending machine real quick, Bob.
Bob? I must have missed Bob. What's up, Bob?
So a 17-inch laptop, an iPad, and a phone in the pool. Oh boy.
Yeah. That's the life.
I was up good on this trade too. Should have closed it up there.
Me too.
That's all right. That's all right. We got time.
Right back to the first deviation line. If mine's correct, I've been messing with all my settings.
Oh, we're almost at the first.
Okay.
Can't see it on this chart because I have it zeroed up. I can see on my other chart. I got the first deviation at 338.
338.
Yeah.
Yep. That's where mine's at too. Well, mine's at 339, but close enough. Maybe it's 338.50. I don't know. It's right there.
Yeah, Bob. I used to have 6 23-inch monitors, and my family's like, "Wow, this is like mission control in here." Then when I got the TV, they're like, "Oh my goodness."
Hey, those of you who've known me for a while, remember Mike, when you and I first met, I traded off of a 15.5-inch screen laptop, and that's it.
That's it.
And then I got my trade station. I got this custom built one here, and I had a single 32-inch monitor for the last few years. And then just recently, you saw my setup. I've sent you photos where I added the whole stand with 4 monitors.
Oh yeah.
And now I want to have what you have.
I like them a lot. These are my favorite monitors I've had.
Finite, I was long, and it's working out finally. Jeez. Come on, hit that VWAP.
Are you trying to get out VWAP?
Yeah.
$443 take profit. Wouldn't mind seeing $443. I would not be upset. But we gotta get going back up. I FOMO'd in that entry too. We're way far away from the EMAs, but I know I shouldn't be, but I'm kind of trading my P&L. So
Come on. If this works out, it'll be my second long in a row here since I got back from storage.
all you have is your phone screens. Did you load a bike up all by yourself?
No, my nephew helped me.
Oh. How long you guys had that bike for?
So back when COVID first hit, I got myself a oh crap, what's the brand name of the? I got a really kind of like what I would consider a high-end treadmill that has a big, giant, like 32-inch screen on it or bigger, maybe. Nordic Track, maybe. Anyways, I got that just to get some exercise and stuff, and then my wife liked the idea of us being able to exercise side by side, so she got the Peloton also. So it's been, I don't know, 5 years plus maybe.
Hmm.
God, I should have closed it again.
Yeah, me too. They got me.
What are these people doing? Go up or down?
Oh, they're trying to put me in the no fun zone.
Mm-hmm.
They're trying to hold me underwater until the bubble stop.
Hey, 342 people here. Sweet.
Yeah, they already ran the bot attack earlier.
Yeah, losers. Probably a matrix. No, it's not a matrix. It's just a Nordic Track. I think it's called Nordic Track, but it was with their, at the time, I haven't even looked at their current models, but at the time that was the best one they made.
VWAP is around 380. Look, HSI trying to go back down. Cosby trying to go back down. Nikkei, well, it's at lunch. Hmm.
Hmm.
Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. We are going to be giving away Lucid accounts all week long, so if you guys want a chance to win a Lucid account, make sure you sign up to the email list down below. Make sure your email is confirmed.
Sellers trying to push.
They ain't got I feel a lot better if this stupid Cosby and HSI would try to go up in terms of trying to go long, but kind of watching gold, see if gold's gonna start coming back up or not. That's one you won't give away. Oh, you can get NinjaTrader web-based too. I like the desktop better myself, but
All right, Fine Night. Get it going. Get it going.
I don't like this. Is gold going to run back up, or are we setting an ABC pattern down? I don't know. How late is a lot? It's going until I stop. I don't know. I don't ever have a set time. So we'll see. We'll see where we end up. Probably sometime after the duck race.
Good night, BK.
Yeah, BK, good night. Don't want to give away your gold profits? I don't blame you. I should have quit trading earlier when I was up 1100, but now I got to fight back.
Sinister says, Mike, what gives? Regular candles? Yeah, Mike's still on the trading view.
Yeah, well, I keep watching this Cosby and the HSI.
Yeah.
If we can get a bounce there, I'm going to smack the NASDAQ.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm trying to wait him out here a little bit. So, but
come on, Jeez, I should have closed that. I was up a few $100. I was up like 450 on this trade.
Really? I was up a little bit. Well, I got stopped out, but I got stopped. Gold's trying to come back down. Let's go look at crude oil. Crude oil has bounced off that low. I thought about taking a long on crude oil down here earlier. I was like, I don't know. Wish I would have. That would have been way better than the other trades I took. But whatever. Went long.
Let me get signed into all my stuff over here. My Mentor Q, Spot Gamma, everything friggin' signs out.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't even log into Spot Gamma or Mentor Q tonight.
Yeah.
I gotta wait till the morning.
Let's see.
Probably should have. See what the gamma levels are gonna be at.
There we go. All right, I'm logged in. Screens are maximized. Let's see.
HSI just made new, not yet. HSI is trying to make new lows.
Oh, sellers. Woo wee.
They're not playing.
They ain't playing. I'm feeling the urge to move my stop and add.
Don't do it.
Feeling
Got a
the
problem.
urge.
Bzz. You get zapped. Yes, is still up, not much. 2 ticks. So Nvidia's talks perplexing funding at 30 billion valuation. Should just make this easy on me. Get the Cosby, get the HSI to bounce so I can smack it. HSI might be trying to get a little green candle here. Close to 1200 so far. Nice.
Nice.
That's the good stuff there. We're just like stuck now.
Buyers are kind of trying to step in a little bit. I'm just watching all the order flow gauges on Bookmap.
Possibly looks like it's trying to take out the lows. Where HSI is like, trying to form a small little green candle. Yeah, we still have that order down there at 200. So we got the order down there at 200. So. HSI is not really going down, but the Cosby just is almost making new lows. Not yet. Should have just shorted it. Till Wednesday for Nvidia, yeah. Nvidia is such a high weighting of the indices. I guess in 20 minutes we'll have the Nikkei open back up. Got another 9 count here on gold. I'm not gonna trade that. I don't like it. Don't like it yet. Oh, I think we might run the lows. I mean, cost speed looks like it's about to run the lows. HSI is getting close to the lows. And all I want to do is buy it. Hey, look, you see HSI trying to go down. It's not far from the low. Kospi's right there by that. I mean, it's within the wick of the low candle. It's right there. So. $246 on the NAS. Nice. 30 to go. Oh boy. Yeah, I should say F it. Short it. We keep waiting for the HSI and Cosby to bounce. They're just not bouncing. This does look pretty weak here in the NASDAQ on the 4 hour. I'm curious real quick. Let's see YM. YM's starting to weaken a little bit. So is RTY. Yeah, I don't know if they can hold it. I think they are. HSI is still too weak. That's why I keep watching it. Watching HSI and Cosby. Cosby just took out the lows. I don't know. Just gotta wait. That's why I keep watching them. If they can bounce, I'm gonna smack it. It's down at 293. And NASDAQ right now is at 309. That's a little ways lower. 306, 308. Yeah. Let's see if that's going to bounce to Cosby. HSI still look pretty ugly, though. Yeah, it's definitely selling right now. That's why I'm waiting. Being patient. I want to be long, and it's not ready yet. Not ready yet. So we'll just hurry up and wait. Once it breaks through, hey, it might be a big cascade effect once we break 300. It's trying to do it now. Only what, 4 points off? In the next liquidity, we have a little bit at 250. So if we look at Bookmap, we do have a little bit of liquidity at 250. Then really down here at 200. Here's NASDAQ, new lows. New lows on the NASDAQ, baby. Yeah, a little bit. Not crazy, though. It's going to go back down. So that's why I'm waiting for the Cosby. I need to see, look, Cosby's taking out lows. I'm saying, I just got to be patient. Wait. Once they start to firm up, then I think our NASDAQ might have a shot. But till then, just got to hurry up and wait. Hurry up and wait. Yes, trying to come down here a little bit too. Now, Kospi's down 3.08%. HSI's down 2.1. We have about 14 minutes and the Nikkei will be open back up. So, we'll see. Hey, Scoot. See you later. Have a good night. Guys, it's looking sick. Short-lived. Go long, take profit at 380. Told you, you can't get the Kospi or HSI to bounce. So until they do, I don't feel good about it. So I don't want to get caught in that mess. Thank you, but no. I'll have to hurry up and wait. $284 short. Why make it down there?
Yeah, I don't see why not. The bottom of my regression channel is way down there, 260 to 220.
Yeah, 250 we have 41 contracts, and 200 we have 600 and something. Now 600's been out there for a while. Trend is not my friend. Jesse likes to trend. I don't.
Well, not when it's too crazy. I mean, you saw the video of me.
Oh. That was funny. So I'm waiting until we get this Kospi to bounce. I'm just gonna wait.
Unless I'm in the trend. But if I'm somehow stuck against it, definitely not my friend.
Yeah. Friendship has contingencies. That's gonna stink. We're gonna... So hey, I wonder if we're down tonight, if we get a nice little bounce tomorrow morning. Hey Brian, what's up? Good evening.
Potentially.
Ooh, still dripping, still dipping. Oof.
They ain't playing.
Told you. So we can get that Kospi to bounce. No need to even worry about it. Did I get that Kospi to bounce? No bouncy. No trading.
Where's my other... I lost a... Oh, it's way the heck over here. One of my Bookmap little guys, Jimma Boggers, disappeared on me there.
I really want to see where this Nikkei is going to open back up. Probably should be doing the duck race as we're waiting. We'll do a duck race and it'll really get things cooking. I'll miss it. Then I'll be upset. That would tick me off. I'm sitting here being patient. It's not ready yet.
We're at that second band pretty much. I mean, it's kind of trying to brush up against it.
I gotta see some evidence out of this Kospi and or the HSI. Got a feeling the Nikkei opens up here in 9 minutes to get a dump. Nikkei will. We'll see what kind of pressure that puts on the market if it happens. Giveaways, giveaway, giveaway. We're gonna see something real quick. Hey, so if you guys do want a chance to win the duck race, win a free Lucid account, make sure you sign up to the email list down below and your email is confirmed.
Over down below value. I usually like to try to, obviously not if we're in a trending market, but if we're gonna chop around, you would think we'd start getting a rotation back up here. At least to the POC, which I've got at 365-ish.
I don't know. Can't get the overseas markets to bounce. Why are we gonna bounce? Like,
I don't know. They don't know what they're doing. I mean, they've outsmarted me a time or two.
All right, I gotta get this moved over. I don't know where it's gonna pop up at yet. Okay, we're good.
They're trying to push a little bit. Let's see.
Yeah, Nikkei's open here in 7 minutes.
Robert, yeah, my long is hanging on by a thread here.
Don't let him lie to you. It's never gonna hit that stop loss.
Not if I keep moving it. I mean, we should be able to get at least to the POC, you would think. Which is now before VWAP. All right, I'll move my target down. How about that? I bet you can't even get there, NQ. I bet you can't even get there.
Okay. Let's see what Lucid account we're gonna give away. Oh, sorry. All right.
Good job, Finite. Congrats.
All right, we're gonna give away Lucid. We're gonna give away Lucid daily 25K EOD, and then we'll ramp it up as the week goes on to the other ones. Now let's go look at something real quick. Lucid. It's kind of curious. Hey, so technically, you don't have to make very much in this account. So in order to pass, you only have to make $1,250.
Wow. And then daily payouts, yeah?
And daily payouts. But it has a 50% consistency rule in the eval. So that's not too bad. All right, let me copy this code. Okay. 8. All right. All right. So if you guys do want a chance to win, ooh, I still got to figure out what the key phrase is. Make sure you sign up to the email list down below. Make sure your email is confirmed. No, hey, the 25Ks in Lucid are not. So you get $1,000 drawdown. You have to make 1250 to pass. The 1250 isn't really that much, but it's not that much drawdown either.
Yeah, you gotta be careful with those bad boys.
I know I have at least 100. Let's see real quick. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 25K accounts we're gonna give away this week. Those are daily payouts. Then for daily payouts, I have 2 50K daily payouts. And then I have pro accounts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 pro accounts to give away and 7 flex accounts, 50K. And we're going to try to get them all the way this week. This week and maybe into the weekend. So tonight we're going to give away the 25K account. So, and tomorrow morning we'll probably give away 2 more 25K accounts. Then tomorrow night we'll give away a 50K and a 25K winner. The first winner gets to choose which one they want. So, all right, I gotta make the key phrase for the giveaway. What's it gonna be? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, that's what I wanted to look for. Dang it. Oh, yeah.
Macho Mungo Duck.
Right. All right. I got the code all set up, ready to go. Nightbot's going to pick out 10 random winners. I'm going to go ahead and pick out a handful myself, throw everybody into a duck race, and we're going to see who's going to win. Now I got to get Notepad ready too for that. Okay, we do it here. And if I can't find you on the email list, you're going to forfeit. So make sure you are on the email list and your email is confirmed. Otherwise, you will forfeit. All right. I'm going to drop the key phrase. Now, you want to spam the chat with this key phrase. Lucid Daily 40 off. Code has been dropped. Spam the chat with that key phrase. And simple trader. I was looking for a copy button. All right, bam. Reroll. Brian, you have a spot?
Remember, for anybody new, don't just do it once. You got to do it over and over and over and over again.
Hey, Nikkei is now down 349.
Wow.
Cosby down 234. I think we're not going to have as many people in this one. Lower dollar account. Plum Trader, you have a spot. And we only have one. Finite, you have a spot. Frank, you have a spot. All right, Nightbot's gonna pick out one last one. Bedevil, you have a spot. All right, Nightbot is done selecting. Quit spamming the chat. Oh, put Bob in there. I know he likes those 25K accounts. Lobster Dad, you have a spot. Just Ain't Right, you have a spot. Roach, you have a spot.
Man, they just keep pushing it down.
That's why I keep watching Alley Cat. Yes, that's why I keep watching the Cosby and the HSI. If they can't bounce, I'm not interested. I'll just take my ball and go home. Deep Charge, you have a spot. We're trying to take it low right now. Elevated Life, you have a spot. Oh, real estate got put in. All right. I'm gonna pick out one more. Trading Game, you have a spot. Huh. Is HSI gonna try to bounce? Let's go. Oh, look at Nikkei. Nikkei after it came back from lunch. Yikes. It's getting clobbered. Cosby's down there at the lows. HSI is trying to maybe base out down here. Not looking good. All right. So let me get all this copied.
Okay, you guys can stop in the chat. All duck race spots have been filled. Make sure you hit live on the stream if you've fallen behind.
Oh, I wonder if I didn't. That's why I didn't disable rewind. That's why people are falling behind so much. I forgot to do it. I wasn't planning on doing a giveaway originally, but tonight. All right, let's see who's gonna win.
Let's go.
There we go. There's we go. Where's my mouse? Do a 1 minute sprint. Set. On your marks. Get set. Beep.
All right. Look at that field.
Uh-oh. The green monster's out in the lead. Oh, dang it. I didn't put J-Loves in. Son of a biscuit.
Tomorrow morning, J-Loves.
Man, I skipped him on Friday, too. He's always out there coming out supporting the channel. Gosh, darn it.
Oh, buyers finally stepping in. Let's see. Can they push it?
Nah, they're a bunch of somethings. All right, 14 seconds. Get it.
Is there a no-name duck?
No, I don't see it.
If there's a no-name duck,
I'll
and
get
it wins,
the J-Loves. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nope. Bedevil's going to win. All right, Bedevil, what's the first 3 letters of your email?
Eric, kick USOB. Kick.
R-O-B. All right, let's get it.
Yeah, congrats on that, Devil.
Wow, I got the first one. Holy crap.
Yeah, hey, Roger, Sam, you got to stop, man. The duck race is over.
He's probably delayed.
Yeah, you got to hit live on the stream. You're way behind.
That's why I always turn off the rewind feature, because of that.
Yeah.
They don't tend to get behind as much. So, hey, Bedevil, I'm going to send you a code real quick. So just type this number into the chat. And
Nice thumbnail on the live stream. What is it? Is it the bed one again in the pajamas?
yeah, I didn't change it.
I love that one.
Hey, Bedevil, type in the number into the chat that I sent you an email for. Because once I send the code out, it's gone. Gone. I think Rocky Sam's way behind. He's like, I'm the only one typing. All right, perfect. Let me get you this code real quick. I think it's... Just make sure I get the count right. Lucid Daily.
El Munoz also. Hey, you guys are falling way behind on the stream. You got to hit live. Duck race is over.
People are like, why can't we not rewind it? And that's why. Now you understand.
Mm-hmm. Oh, doing it just for laughs? I gotcha. Now everybody's friggin' doing it. Hey, what's up, John? Now Finite's doing it. You guys.
All right, hey, Bedevil, you got it now. You should get it. Yeah, they're so good. And Nikkei's trying to maybe bounce here a little bit. What about Cosby? Cosby, any signs of trying to firm up? Not really.
Ooh, they're trying to bounce a little. Come on, NQ. Come on. Let's go.
Ah, dang it, Mongo. I didn't see your name, but I got more accounts we're gonna give away all week long. We're gonna have giveaways. All week long and maybe even into the weekend. I gotta count them up and see. I do have 150K account up for grabs as well. So there's a 150K account up for grabs. So we'll see which day or what video that'll be this week. A little warm down there in Louisiana.
Yeah, it was warm today too, man. It was like 88, but felt like 100 out here. Jeez.
Yeah, if we can't get this stuff to bounce, I'm not gonna take a shot in NASDAQ. To me, it's not worth it.
Sinister. Oh man.
I think I can lick my wounds and just move on. Water temps in the river, 92. Wow.
Wow.
I know when I went e-foil in on Saturday, the water was pretty warm. I got in, I was like, man, it feels like I'm stepping into pea water.
That's crazy. How do the fish survive that?
They swim to where it's cooler. I don't know.
Our rivers out here are freezing cold. The ocean's even worse. So cold, you can't go in there without like a wetsuit, probably, or a dry suit.
A dry suit?
Yeah.
See, that's no fun.
At least I couldn't. The cojones might fall off. It's got to mess with the fish, right, Coop? I mean, that's hot.
don't think I'm gonna mess with it. I don't think I'm gonna mess with it.
Yeah, they just keep. I mean, they try nada, try nada.
But if we do go down tonight, I wonder if we get a bounce early in the morning. I don't know. It'll be interesting. I don't really know. Because I called out some good shorts tonight. I didn't take one of them. So let's see. Look, we're still going back down. Trying to take out the lows. Trying to take out the lows.
What?
So,
Frank says the YM's pulling back too.
yeah, so we got 3 of the 4 indices down. The Russell's the only one up, and it's only up 0.6. It's not much.
Oh, hey, so you know the ongoing saga of my net change price and percentage?
Oh, yeah.
So I just looked, you were just talking about that. So I look up, my NQ is blank on both columns. So now I don't even have a net change.
No, hey, if you disconnect from your data and reconnect, it'll pop up.
Yeah, okay. Well,
Mine does that. Like if you connect to 2 different data sources, or if I connect before the market opens, it does that. I just have to disconnect and reconnect.
I was connected before the market opened. I was trying to get ready.
Oh, that's pretty cool, Mongo. Nice. I think I'm going to jump off here. I think I'm going to take my ball and go home. I got back green. I don't want to spoil it. Not back green in a big way. And if I trade, if we can't get the Kospi and the HSI to bounce, it's going to be problematic. Because once the HSI opened up, the market's really tanked. And look, it looks like it's set up another continuation pattern to go lower. So I think I'd rather wait till the morning and see if we end up getting a bounce in the morning. Now, we are going to try to give away 2 accounts tomorrow morning on stream. So hopefully you guys will come back and join me. I don't have any positions on it at the moment. No, I'm flat. So with that being said, hopefully you guys will come join me tomorrow morning. We'll be streaming at 8 a.m. So look forward to seeing you guys then. Take care.